Valencell's technology is actually pretty simple in concept. We shine light at the ear, particularly the antitragus region. You see, the ear has a unique vascular structure of capillaries, veins, and arteries. And we figured out how to collect that scattered light from that region and turn that into heart rate and other vital sign parameters. Now, the idea of using light to measure blood flow in the body is an old idea. But what is new is actually how we do it. You see, here's an earbud sensor shining light into the skin. And your skin has multiple layers to it. And also how the light scatters in the skin and is collected by our sensor module. You see, most of the light that goes into the skin is completely wasted. Worse, it gives you noise. Most of the light scatters off the top of the skin, telling you no useful information. Then what's left is absorbed and never scatters back into your sensor. A very, very, very tiny fraction of an amount of light actually interacts with your blood and gets to your sensor. So you can imagine when you're at rest and no one's moving, you can actually get a pretty good idea of blood flowing and light scattering in a way where you can measure heart rate. But when people are moving, this becomes chaotic. And suddenly you can't tell what's a heart rate or what's motion. And we figured out how to do that with people running really aggressively and doing really crazy things. And the way we do it is our sensor communicates with a DSP. So this earbud sensor communicates directly with a DSP that characterizes the blood flow with respect to noise and pulls out the blood flow and eliminates or strongly attenuates the noise. And that signal is processed in real time, giving you heart rate and calories and VO2 max and a number of other parameters. And it communicates through a simple UART profile to any other chip. It could be a Bluetooth chipset, it can be an ANT Plus chipset, a Zigbee chip, Wi-Fi, you name it. But this is the turnkey solution here. This is the turnkey solution that goes into your earbud. And this is what you already have in your Bluetooth headsets.